Alright, so if you want a mobile hotspot, decent one, and your car has USB-C, I found this is a good alternative. So I was able to get this mobile hotspot. I'm getting it for like $25 a month. I know it's hard to see in here, but you can see we got good connection. Depending on where your 5G towers are, this one actually, while driving, I do get signal pretty good for the most part. But anyways, I put this magnetic thing on it, so now it's going straight up, and I can actually just drop this down into this corner here. Actually, let me take a bottle out so I can fit this better first. You can see, just sits right in there. Okay, I can put these water bottles in there, and then it runs along and it just plugs in down there. So I permanently have a mobile hotspot, and I actually use it for advertising because I broadcast the Wi-Fi SSID with my YouTube channel. So wherever I drive, I get a nice Wi-Fi YouTube channel thing there. Alright, so pretty cool. Anyways, that's my setup in my car. See you guys later. Bye.